Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add neon effect with lightning using custom CSS in Divi theme on text. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Divi theme and we are going to add neon effect with lightning. Now you see text. Now click on it and then you see Divi theme adding. So we are using H1. Now you see adding one and then you see advanced, so click on it and then you see custom CSS, so click on it. Now paste and you will find all CSS in video description or in comment section. Now you see root, dark, white, glow, so you can add color scheme according to your requirement. And then you see selector H1, so we are using adding one, so you can add selector according to your requirement. Now you see H1. If you are using H2, H3 paragraph, so you can add here and then you see animation 5 seconds. So you can add second according to your requirement. Now make it 3 and then you see keyframe animate, you see numbers, color. Also you see text shadow. So you can add or adjust this number according to your requirement. Now click on save changes and then click on update. Now page updated done. Go to website page and refresh the page. And then you see Divi theme adding H1. Now you see neon effect with lightning. You see color is changing. You see lighting effect by using custom CSS. And you will find all CSS in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.